Hey there, Judd here from Asphalt Kingdom. Let's talk about one of the biggest decisions that people face when it comes to pavement maintenance and repairs. Should you repair and seal your asphalt cracks yourself, or should you hire a professional? I get asked this every single week, and the truth is both options can be right, depending on your time, budget, and also your goals. So let's go ahead, let's break this down and talk about the right way to get your pavement maintenance and repair work done so that your cracks are sealed in properly. Here's what most people don't realize. Crack sealing isn't just about looks. It's about protecting your pavement investment. Cracks are how water, salt, and oil start breaking down the base underneath your asphalt. And when that happens, you're dealing with potholes, heaving, and also those big repair bills. So whether you're a DIY homeowner or you're calling in a contractor, what matters most is doing the process correctly. Let's go ahead and start out with the DIY, the doing it yourself. It can absolutely deliver professional results if you follow the right step-by-step format. You'll need a few basic tools to do it: a crack cleaning brush, a blower, and a pour pot or a squeegee. And if you're using a crack sealer, you can use cold pour or a hot pour crack filler depending on your needs. For small residential driveways with narrow cracks, you can go ahead and use cold pour crack filler. It works great, it's easy, clean, and anyone can use it. If your driveway has deeper or wider cracks, really tough cracks, hot rubberized crack filler is where the magic happens. It's the product you want to use. You melt it down in an RY10 or an RY10 Pro Push Melter applicator, pour it directly into the cracks, and smooth it out with a V-squeegee or a trowel. It bonds tight and stays flexible through every freeze-thaw cycle. It's the same process that the pros use, and once you do it once, you'll be surprised at how simple it really is to do. Now let's talk about hiring a professional. If you've got a large commercial lot that you're doing with severe cracking, or you just don't have the time or tools to do it yourself, hiring a contractor can be worth every penny to you. Pros bring specialized equipment, high-capacity melters to melt down the crack sealer, routers, and air compressors to clean out those cracks. That can cover thousands of feet of cracks in just one day. They also have experience reading the pavement and doing assessments, identifying base issues, and then recommending the right materials to get the job done right. A professional job can really last 3 to 5 years when it's done correctly. But I do want to share the reality. The process isn't that different between DIY or choosing a contractor. The same steps apply. You clean, fill, smooth, and seal. The only difference between DIY and pro-level work is that the equipment and the efficiency is different when you use the pros, not the science. That's why so many people who start out doing their own driveways end up turning it into a business where they're making money on the weekends. You get your first melter, learn the process, and before you know it, you're sealing driveways and parking lots for your neighbors and clients and people that you know, making extra income on the weekends. Now, I want to talk about what's non-negotiable in both cases. Prep work, definitely. If you don't clean the cracks properly, if you fill them in while they're damp, or if you skip seal coating afterwards, it won't last. Prep is everything. You wouldn't wax a dirty car. Same concept here. If you decide that you want to do it yourself, I've got the full tutorials right here at Asphalt Kingdom. Product recommendations, step-by-step videos, training. They're all waiting for you right here at asphaltkingdom.com. And you can get the exact tools and materials that the pros use as well. And you know you're doing it right, which is the most important thing. At the end of the day, DIY or professional, the most important thing is to get those cracks sealed up. Every day they're left open is another day of water damage. Seal them once, seal them right, and you'll protect your asphalt for years to come. If this video has helped you, hit that like button and drop a comment down below. Are you planning to do it yourself, or are you hiring a pro this season? I'd love to know. I love hearing how people are tackling their pavement projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Asphalt Kingdom channel. We've got all kinds of expert videos that will keep coming out to help you build, protect, and grow your pavement the right way. We'll see you on the inside of the next video.